Hello everyone, and today I want to talk about another indicator called Awesome Oscillator, or you can call it AW. We're looking at pound Canadian dollar chart on 4-hour charts. So let me add the Awesome Oscillator. It's here on the eToro application web app. Yep. So we leave the colors as it is, green for increasing bars and red for decreasing bars. Create. Okay. But what is this? It's not too complicated. This indicator just creates these bars by deducting the midpoints of 34 days moving average and 5 period moving average. So I should have said that 34 period and 5 period. Yeah. So just to make it a bit clear for you guys, I'm gonna add moving average, and you can see we are adding the 34. The color, I'm going to change it to something more recognizable. I'm going to add it to, okay, that's a close and type of separate. Okay. Create. Now I'm going to add the other simple moving average, which is 5 periods. Column, just change it to blue. Okay, and it's simple. Okay, create. Why I added these two simple moving averages to the chart is because you can have kind of feeling what are these crossing from 0 points. When these two moving averages cross each other, we actually crossing the 0. So you can see here perfectly matches. Again here perfectly matches. Again here perfectly matches. So to get the signal from this awesome indicator, because we have a few types of signals that we can get from awesome indicator. One of them is just simply when you cross the 0 line. So this 0 line, you're crossing here, so this means that we have a sell signal. Or here we cross up, then we have buy signal. This is the very simple and easy signal, so which you can get it from just to using these two moving averages, as you can see. Fast moving average, just crossing the other moving average from above to below. So here we have sell signal. But there are some other signals that you can get from awesome moving average. One of them, which I like, is when we have twin peaks or twin lows. You can get a buy signal when the bars are below 0 and you have two peaks, which the second peak, I should have said two lows, which the second low is closer to the 0 line. Here, I'm gonna add the notation. No, I'm gonna add, sorry, maybe I use a doodle just to create a line here. You can see that this one is lower, and this gets a bit higher, so closer to zero line. This is a very good buy signal when the bars are below zero. So you can see this gives us the buy signal. I'm adding a vertical line here. Okay, here. So it means that if we buy here, then we can stay in the market. Then you can add some more to your position when we're crossing the zero line here. So we enter the market here, we add some here, then it keeps going and until you see that we go to bear market again. So you can close your positions here and take your profit. So this is very nice one, you know, when we have two lows, which the second one is closer to zero. It can happen the other way when we have two highs, which the second one is lower or closer to zero, but we don't. Oh, here we have one. Just it's not that obvious, but yeah, if you use this one, we had a high here, then another high here, but lower and closer to zero. So this is a sell signal here. As you can see, it works perfectly. So you enter the market here, and it goes down. Boom. There are some other, you know, signals that people talk about, like SOSA. You know, when you have one opposite column bar, sorry, between, you know, the other color ones. So, you know, it means that he's shaking the SOSA thing. Then normally the SOSA signal is generated when the bar chart reversed its direction from the downtrend to uptrend. This is the only signal to buy when the bar chart is higher than zero. So when we are higher than zero. The opposite can happen, you know, the only signal to sell when we are below the zero. But I'm just explaining one of these. So yeah, as I said, we are above the zero, and then the bar chart reversed, and from downtrend to uptrend, the second column is lower than the first, and you know, actually we don't have a obvious one here. Maybe we should go and look for other charts, you know, to see if we can find that thing. But normally, just when the second column is lower than the first, and the color is red, and the third column is higher and color in green. So you should look for green area with just one red in between in bull market, which happens very rarely. I've seen it before, but not here. So yeah, as I said, it's very rare, and you know, it's not a good signal, but many people talking about that. Let me just change this to maybe to Euro US dollar to see if we can find something similar. Yep. Here you can see we are in bull market, so above zero line. We have two green and one red at the middle. So the third column, I'm talking, this is the first, the green one. Then the second is less than the third, which is green, is more than two other columns, which is more than the first one. So here it gives you a good buy signal when you are already in a bull market. So yeah, you can enter the market here and take advantage of the signal and take a profit. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you all happy trading, and hopefully you can make some profits out of this very risky and, as I said, very hard job. Have a nice day. See you later.